okay?
Yeah, he's okay, Mama Tig. He's alright.
But I popped that focus for him pretty hard, honey.
Yeah, he'll be alright, Mama Tig, 'cause he got a hard head just like you do.
Like I do? What you mean like I do?
No, I mean he's hard-headed like you are.
Man, blame you, Tig. Where's my bat? Give me my bat.
Oh, no, Mama Tig. I didn't mean it that way,
Well, just how did you mean it then?
Well, here comes little Tig. You can check on him. He's right there.
Hey there, Tig. Come here, honey. Come on up here. I want to talk to you just a minute. Come on up here. Little Tig, are you okay? You are, because if you ain't okay, I'll hit you again if I need to. You don't want me to hit you again? I didn't think you did. Well, alright, since you feel alright, you just go on up to your room there and play and have a good time, okay? Alrighty, see you later. That's all I needed. Hey, Tig, come here a minute. I want to tell you something. Yeah, come here just a minute. Did you learn a lesson or do I need to hit you again? I'll hit you again if I need to.